got a quick tip for you. You know you like a quickie. If you have trouble with air tools like I do sometimes, and where to put them and how to find them and so on and so forth, this might be useful for you. Basically what you want to do is just take a standard drawer slider, ball bearing preferably, and just mount some air fittings to it. These are just some old air fittings I had. I'm just going to mount these things about like that right there. I'll show you how this thing works. Those bad boys welded on, all you gotta do is mount it up under your favorite bench or tool cart. All you gotta do is attach your tools. Boom! That's good stuff right there. There you go. Be sure to subscribe. See what I got coming next week.